Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Hello friends, how are you? So I'm just gonna make quick lunch. Voy a hacer un almuerzo rapidito. And I have this laying around. This pizza crust the other day. Compré estas masas de pizza. Son chiquititas, para que vean. So I'm just gonna do simple ham, mushrooms, onions, pepper, tomato, and cheese. That's it. So let's do it. Just so you know, today I posted my first video on my other channel, A Date with Rodrigo. That's an exploring channel to go visit parks and urbex, basically. Parks in the city, nature spots, whatever. Es un nuevo canal para salir a caminar, ver la ciudad, cosas así. Nada así como hardcore de ir a hiking no sé cuántos kilómetros, no. Nothing like, oh yeah, I gotta get there in 10 minutes or no. Just regular walking speed. Para que no le pongan color. So, yeah, go check it out. I'll leave the link. Mushrooms are ready. Están listos los champiñones. Vamos a prender el horno. 425. Ya nos queda el jamón. We're also gonna cut it a little bit like this, probably. Ahí. That's good. Now the tomato. Está como bien jugoso el tomate. Yeah, it's pretty juicy. And also the knife is not doing a good job. El cuchillo no está ayudándome mucho tampoco, así que just gonna do it like this, like that. Okay, the pepper. I'm not saving seeds anymore. I already have. Ya tengo semillas para mi otro canal, Rodrigo's Indoor Garden, but I already have a bunch, so go check that channel out too, because we're starting the winter season. Estamos empezando la temporada de invierno. I already brought all the plants inside. Ya entré todas las plantas. Cut it like this. Probably too much. One full pepper. Quizá un pimiento completo es mucho, pero I still needed to use it, so necesitaba usarlo. Maybe I should saute this. Quizás debería saltear esto, ¿ah? Los pimientos y la cebolla un poco y los champiñones. A little bit, see? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna saute them a little bit. Parecen papas fritas. Vamos a saltear aquí en mantequilla, en butter. Necesito hacer espacio en mi refri, así que need to make room in my fridge, so I have to. Vamos a ver, tomate, el onion and mushrooms and cebolla, champiñones and the peppers y los pimientos. So for now, or now, not for now, vamos a ponerle salsa de tomate. Yeah, we're gonna add tomato sauce to this, and then we're gonna put them in the oven for a little bit. Salsa de tomate al horno for like 2 minutes. Then we bring them out again. Put the ingredients. Después la sacamos y ponemos los ingredientes de nuevo. Okay. Is that enough? I don't know. No sé, porque nunca he hecho esto yo. Yeah, that's probably enough. Just in case they decide to get stuck or something. Por si acaso deciden quedarse pegadas. And 1 and 2. There we go. To the oven. Se van al horneque. Dímelo, mano. Al horno. En mano. Couple minutes. Seguimos acá. We're gonna add some roasted garlic and peppers to this. Vamos a agregar un poquitito de ajo y pimientos tostados. Okay, this is good. Now we take the pizzas out of the oven. Sacamos las pizzurris del horno. And le vamos a poner toda la agua. Toda la agua nomás. So, what goes first? Probably the ham. Tomate de moreno. Perdón, el jamón. Y santón primero y ahí. Both are gonna have ham, right? Los dos van a tener jamón. I have no salami, so ahí estamos. I think the tomato has to go on top of the cheese because I need it closer to the flame, I think. Necesito que esté cerca de la llama porque it has too much water, so I need to get kind of roasted. Woo! Está más caliente que tu hermana, está bueno, ¿eh? So we're gonna try both, huh? We're gonna do one with the tomato here. Una con el tomate acá encima así. The other one with the tomato over the cheese. La otra ahí con el tomate arriba del queso. We go with cheese here. That's it. Now we are gonna add salt to the tomato. It's gonna be like this. It's gonna be like this. Ready for the oven? Para el horno. Ahí. 15 minutes or until the cheese melts. Vamos a esperar que se derrita el queso nomás y listo. Okay, I think we're good. Creo que estamos bien ya. Look at that. Look at that. That looks pretty good, huh? So, creo que esto termina mi video. That's what the pizza look. Pretty good. Ya amigos, nos vemos. See you later. Bye. Chao.